Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a dark spots removal remedy. Now, have you ever used something that the very first time you use it you would be knowing that this thing is going to work? Like, no, this thing is going to work, because I am seeing some signs here and all of that. So it's actually the same thing as this, because this is actually helping me a whole lot, and it's actually going to help you to get rid of all of your dark spots. So let's dive into the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and let's go. So we're gonna be needing to use potato, guys. Now, potato is a great remedy for dark spots. It helps to promote the skin health. It fights wrinkles and age spot. It contains a lightening property that helps to lighten up the skin, and it is a great remedy for a glowing skin. And then we're going to be needing to use baking soda. Now, baking soda is a mild exfoliant. It helps to rejuvenate the skin. It scrub out dead skin cells, and it also reveal a brighter and a newer skin. It helps to renew the skin. It helps to rejuvenate and get rid of dark spots. And then we're going to be needing pure gram flour. Now, gram flour is an all-purpose remedy that works wonders in removing and rejuvenating the skin. It helps for dark spots, pimples, pigmentations, and age spots, and it's also a great remedy for dark spots. And then we're going to be making use of sugar. Now, scrubbing the skin with sugar would help to remove or unclog the dead skin and unclog the pores, therefore revealing a brighter and a newer skin. It will also help your skin glow, and it therefore leave your pores really clean. So for the potato, we're going to be peeling it up. So I'm going to be grating the potato so that you can get the juice. Now, you can also blend your potato. So I'm going to be sieving it out. Now, when you blend your potato, you're going to be having more juice than when you grate it. But nonetheless, it's still okay to grate. So here's the potato juice and the starch, okay? So you have to stir it so that everything would mix together. Otherwise, the starch is just going to settle beneath. The starch is actually very good. We need that a whole lot. So I'm going to be taking just half tablespoon of pure gram flour. Give it a little mix. Then half tablespoon of baking soda. Also give it a mix. And now we're going to be putting in about 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's 1. And that's 2. So we're going to give it a stir. So I'll need to stir it very well so that the gram flour can mix properly. So I'm actually going to be stirring it this way. And this is great. You can see the gram flour is actually mixed properly. So if you want to get rid of dark spots, you would need this, because this is actually going to help you a whole lot. So you can either use your hand or you use a brush. You just apply this all over your face. After applying this, guys, you would have to give it a little scrub. Okay, if you're aiming to remove dark spots, you would have to give this a little scrub, especially on those areas in which you have spots. You have to concentrate on those areas and then you scrub it. Okay, so for me, I have some spots here and here. You scrub the whole place. Alright, so you will have to scrub, and when you're done scrubbing, then you can actually leave this on your skin for like 5 to 10 minutes or 5 minutes at most, not necessarily long time, you know, and it's just going to help you to fade up your dark spots. Alright guys, so the thing is that this would fade up your dark spots like gradually, okay? It will help you fade up all of the dark spots gradually, and in 2 weeks you are going to see that, like in 2 weeks at most, you're going to see that your face is going to get lighter, like not like all of your face, your spots is going to get lighter and your skin is going to, you know, begin to have one color. Yeah, basically, now if you're consistent, because you have to be consistent, because this is actually a natural product. It's not, there's no chemical in it. It's not going to burn your face. It's not going to do anything to you. It's just going to, you know, at the end of the day, you're going to notice that your skin is going to be looking really soft and supple, and the spots is going to be gone. So you wash it off. You can also apply it 2 times in a day if you really want it to work really fine. But you have to be consistent though, and then you would have to give it a little time, because one thing that, you know, how dark spot goes is that it fade off. Okay, it doesn't disappear, but it fade off. So you are going to be loving the results, and that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and I'll come your way again. Bye guys.